the guide, he says, you know what we're going to do? We're going to set alarm clocks. The opening is there, which I could see. He says, see where the opening is? That's the opening towards where you can get into Kastel and everywhere. He says, that's where the opening is. And what we're going to do, he says, I'm going to set alarm clocks 300 yards away, where the opening is. And we set them off, and when they all went off, those alarm clocks, they were firing at the alarm clocks. And we had machine guns, and we were firing at them.